Hey guys, my name is Jason with Mount Baker Mining and Metals, and on today's video, I'm back in this creek. A couple weeks ago I posted a video where I found some Listwanite, which is a green mineral. It's a nickel-bearing mineral, and it's really pretty. It's the green is the nickel, and then it's got white and gray in it. And so today I'm on the hunt for more Listwanite, so let's go see what we can find. That's what we're looking for. So the green is nickel. The white is either a carbonate or quartz, and then there's a little bit of dark gray in there as well. And what this is a metamorphosed ultramafic rock. That's why it has the nickel in it. Probably in a fault zone, hydrothermally altered, and it just turns out really pretty. Check it out. Look it up on Wikipedia or something. Listwanite, I think is what it's called. But there's a really nice specimen. And they look kind of orangey, not much going on the surface. The green on the bottom tipped me off to it. Here's another one I spotted the green on. That's a good looking piece. I'm not gonna break that one open. I'm gonna take that one home, put it in the saw, see what it looks like on the inside. But that's what you're looking for. There's a pretty little piece right there. See how green that is? That's a nice piece. Too bad it's not bigger. I'm not sure about this one here. It's got some green speckles on it. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's the stuff. Oh look, that one has some pyrite in it. Oh, that's pretty cool. What does this look like? Yeah, that's pretty neat with the pyrite in it. That's a keeper. There's another one right there. I can get it out of there. It's got green on the surface. Oh yeah, look at those nice green pieces. We'll put him in the saw too. Well, here's a piece I found and I broke open. It just had a little bit of green showing at the top. And then it was this white on top and black on the bottom. But look at when I broke it open, it's got that green in the middle, white and black. It's almost like Dan Hurd's ocean picture stone. Both sides there, you got the land, the water, and the sky. That's pretty cool. What do you think, Dan? Is that worth keeping? Well, I think I got one right here. I can't tell if that green is just like moss from or algae from the river. Oh no, that's good. Ooh, yeah, look at all that green. That's gonna slab up real nice. I'm just looking for the orange ones, and there's a lot of orange rocks in the creek here, but you gotta find the ones with a little bit of green on them, and sometimes they're hard to spot. But if you can find the ones with green, like, ooh, what's that one right there? Let's go look at that one. Oh, that one doesn't look very good, but that one looks not good either. No, that's just some volcanic. About that one, nope. So you got to find the ones with the green on them. But I'm looking back up under the brush, and the creek's real high right now, so I can't get across. So I'm kind of having to work this little bar, and it's hard because I don't have a lot of space. That one might be interesting. It's kind of slimy. Let's break that one open. Hammer cam. Oh, that's cool. It doesn't have any green in it, but it's definitely iron rich. See how orange it is on the outside? I wonder if that's Listwanite without any nickel in it. We're back in the shop. I got my saw set up and ready. Now let's cut these guys open and see what we can find inside. Let's start with this one that has that pyrrhotite stuff on it, because I'm really curious about that. And I need your help here. what's the best way to cut these up? What's the most interesting thing I can do with these things? Should I make them into 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch slabs so people can make cabochons out of them? Should I cut a couple smooth faces on them so they're stand-ups? Let me know. Leave me a comment below. We're all set up and clamped in. I'm just going to take a little slab off that face. Hopefully we still have some of that pyrrhotite or pyrite in there so we can take a look at what's going on there. And our big diamond blade's just going to slice right through there. Let's see what we got here. Now I'm going to turn it so this flat face is down, cut off this top part so we can have a little stand-up looking thing. Well, I cut the bottom off it. Let's see what she looks like now. Yeah, that's a pretty cool little stand-up piece. Nice green there on that face. Here's a pretty one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's see what this half looks like. Beautiful. Whoa. Check that out. That's wild. Look at that. You on this one too? Oh yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool, huh? That's a neat one. Here's a real nice one. Look at that one. This one's cool because I cut parallel with the grain. And you get that a lot more green if you hit it just right. And then if you pull this guy out, this is a cool one because you've got parallel and perpendicular with the grain. So you can see the different characteristics there. That's pretty cool. Here's a look at everything I got cut. A bunch of stand-ups. But there's two in particular I want to look at a little closer. This one and this big tall one. So let me go get my microscope and we'll take a look. We'll take a look at this one here first. I'm going to use this little microscope, clips right on my phone. It's really cool. I've used it in a lot of my other videos. I got a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now here's what I wanted to look at. There's a bunch of sulfides in this one. All those little gray bands. And what I wanted to see was if there's any gold in here. Because I've also heard this called, I think it's called mariposite. And this is what they used to look for in the Motherlode, California area. And this would be real indicative of gold. So when I saw all these sulfides, I got pretty excited. But I don't see any yellow gold. It's just sulfides. It might be worth getting some of this stuff assayed. But it's really pretty. Look at the broken up quartz and the green. It looks like the green filled in once the quartz broke up. Like there's a really good, you can see, I don't know, I'm making this up. Can you see the quartz growth into the green? Or vice versa? I don't know. It almost looks like the green is clear and the quartz like a fluid and the quartz grew into it. I've got this one washed and cleaned up a little bit and look at the structure going on in that rock. Holy moly, it was folded 2 or 3 times and then faulted. That's a really neat little specimen there. This was the last one I cut, and it's more green throughout, but there's something right up here I want to look at with the microscope. There's something right there. There's a little dusty, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a little dusty yellow right along there. We'll have to take a look at that one with the microscope. Let's see if we can find that yellow stuff. Oh. Hey, what's all that yellow stuff? Man, that sure looks like gold. Holy cow, is that all gold? Oh, look at that. Wow, is that gold? Look at that. It's all the way along that streak. Wow. I don't know, guys. What do you think? That sure looks like gold to me. I think that's gold. I think that's all really, really fine gold with some bigger pieces. Holy smokes. Here's the other half. And the gold continues right along the other half, right down those bands. Wow, I've never seen anything like that in this district. It's always been in the quartz veins, but that looks like some really, really rich gold ore. Whoa, look at that. Whoa! Look at that. Jeez, there's gold everywhere on this. I wonder what this one would assay. Oh man, it's in the green and everywhere. Wow, that is a rich one. So now I've got these home and I'm just finding gold all over them. I want to show you right in this green band right here, there's a bunch of gold. So we're right in the border with the gray, white, and the green on top. As you move over here, you just start seeing little flecks of gold. It's pretty much all in the green, it seems like. So this is that other tall one that had the mineralization in it. It doesn't have as much gold as that other one, but I think that's a piece of gold right there. Right in the left of the screen there. But I don't see gold in the bands like we did in that previous one. But there's a lot of mineralization in this one, a lot of sulfides. Not much gold. This one's cool. This is the one, actually both of these, that I broke in the creek there. And it's kind of like that ocean picture stone. So those would make some really cool cabochons for somebody. I didn't cut those, I just left those as natural. And then these ones have the vibrant green. Those ones back there. These ones are a little more structurally interesting. So a lot of cool stuff going on. Each one of these rocks is unique and different. It's pretty neat. Well, there you go, guys. Very cool adventure. I like walking along and finding gemstone quality minerals just laying in the creek. That's pretty cool. So if you're interested in any of these samples, I'll have them listed on eBay, so you can check them out there. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.